If Steam is showing a network error, don't panic. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest ways to fix it step by step so you can get back online, reconnect to Steam, and start downloading or launching your games again. This is a simple troubleshooting guide you can follow even if you're not super technical. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. First, before you change anything on your computer, check whether Steam itself is having problems. Sometimes the issue is not on your device at all, but with Steam servers being down or under maintenance. Open your browser and go to steamstat.us to verify the current server status. If Steam is having a widespread outage, the best thing to do is wait until the servers are back online. If the servers look fine, the next step is to fully restart Steam. Don't just close the window. Make sure you completely exit Steam, including the system tray in the bottom right corner of your screen. Right-click the Steam icon there and choose Exit if it's still running. After that, launch Steam again and sign back in if needed. This can refresh the connection and fix temporary login or network problems. If the error still appears, the next thing to try is running Steam as an administrator. Find your Steam shortcut or the Steam executable, right-click it and choose Properties. Then go to the Compatibility tab and select Run this program as an administrator. Click Apply, then OK, and reopen Steam. This gives Steam the permissions it may need to connect properly and make network changes on your system. Now let's clear the download cache. Inside Steam, go to Settings, then Downloads, and look for the Clear Download Cache option. Click it, and Steam may ask you to sign in again afterward. This step is helpful because a corrupted cache can cause connection issues, stuck downloads, or network-related errors. After that, we'll reset a couple of Windows network components that can affect Steam. Open Command Prompt as an administrator. In the command line, type ipconfig/flushdns and press Enter. Then type netsh winsock reset and press Enter again. These commands help clear bad DNS data and reset the Winsock catalog, which often solves stubborn network errors. Once that's done, restart your computer so the changes fully take effect. If Steam is still not connecting, the final step is to delete the Localconfig.vdf file. Open File Explorer and go to your Steam folder. Then navigate to User Data, then your Steam ID folder, then Config. Inside that folder, find localconfig.vdf and delete it. This file stores local Steam configuration data, and if it becomes corrupted, it can interfere with network behavior. After deleting it, reopen Steam and let it rebuild the file automatically. At this point, one of these fixes should usually solve the problem. If the network error was caused by a server outage, waiting was the answer. If it was caused by a local issue, these steps should help you get Steam working again. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.